Joining me now in an exchange exclusive is Shay Banon, the CEO and co-founder. Shay, I look at these results, look good. Put them up against, say, C3 AI, another company that's relatively new to the markets and kind of has been caught up in how the market feels about growth. What do you make of the market action up against these results that you just turned in?
Well, John, thank you for having me today. I'll just say that last time we spoke was when we IPO'd, and I believe that since then we delivered a lot of value to our community of users, customers, and shareholders. As you say, the market is volatile, especially over the last few weeks, but we remain very, very confident about the robustness of our opportunity as we look ahead. If you think about it, companies become more and more digital and move online and move to the cloud. And they are generating an ever-increasing amount of data as a result of it. We are the leader in providing search experiences across any type of data, from adding a search box to your website, to monitoring your cloud infrastructure, to protecting and preventing cyber threats. And as you said, we reported a very strong quarter, 42% year-over-year revenue growth, 84% within it is our cloud revenue growth, and north of 17,000 customers. As I look ahead, I think our opportunity is robust, and we are only getting started. Thank you for having me today.
Yeah, I mean, it's important, I think, to zoom out and maybe look at a two-year chart as well here, because there has been upward movement overall, even though over the past few months, year plus, it's been quite volatile. But I wonder, for a company like Elastic, how much do these fluctuations in the stock price affect your ability to function, if at all? I mean, sometimes you got to think about employee compensation, how much of that is happening with stock, with a young company, recruiting, are potential employees looking at the stock price? How are you handling that piece of it?
Well, one of the things that I'm very proud about is the culture of Elastic and the amount of innovation that every single employee of Elastic delivers on a daily basis. It's one of our strongest traits. And we know that we need to look at the opportunity that we have ahead of us over the long term versus on a daily basis or a monthly basis. We're building a company for the long term. We're innovating towards the long term. The secular trends that we're supporting, the ability to help people find what they're looking for over any type of data, they're still relevant as they were 10 years ago, and they're going to be very relevant as data volumes explode over the next 10 years. Our employees and customers know that we're building a company towards the long term, and we're very happy about it. If you think even just last quarter, that was the strongest quarter that we had with adding our employees. Taking aside our acquisitions, right, we added 280 employees, which is the highest ever.
Now, I was talking earlier today with Frank Slootman, the CEO of Snowflake, also reported earnings. Stock went the other way. It's up about 12.5%. But one of the things that he talked about was large deal sizes and just the appetite for transformative technology. What can you tell us about the size of the deals that you're making as you grow and turn in these results, and the appetite that's fueling it?
We're definitely seeing an increase in the amount of large deals that we have. Our company is geared towards what is called a bottom-up adoption. We start with developers and practitioners and go up within the enterprises. Just this quarter, we reported a significant increase in our $1 million and above number of customers that accelerated over the last 2 quarters versus historical numbers. So we're definitely seeing that it's driven by the move to the cloud. By the way, when companies move to the cloud, they move to multiple clouds. It's driven by the increase of the amounts of data, and our growth is correlated directly to the ability to find insights within that data.
All right, Shay Banon, CEO and co-founder of Elastic. Thanks for joining me.